Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'd like to invite you to a St. Patrick's Day bash that we are hosting on our website, dollsrescued.com. That's coming up on March 8th. We begin at 10 o'clock a.m. It is an online live event. We're going to have guest speakers and gift crafters, and I've got my crafts ready. See the little crocheted hat? That darling little pattern is from Sarah Scales at Octopudding. And if you look on our website at dollsrescue.com, you'll find the pattern and a step-by-step tutorial. Here's what you need to know about Sarah. You can see every stitch she makes, so you can crochet right along with her. We also have this darling little rainbow high dress. This was created, the pattern was created by Ina Powell at the Dainty Seamstress. This pattern and a tutorial are also on dollsrescued.com. And look at this little chair. Okay, mine's not perfect. I had a bad day crafting. But this little chair is so cute. And this pattern and tutorial is on our website at dollsrescued.com by Joni at Joni's Doll Photography. This is, everybody needs furniture for their dolls is what I'm trying to spit out. And I think that is adorable. Not only that, but we have a contest for anyone who makes each of these items. There's 3 contests, and anyone who makes these contests and sends us a photo, Darren's going to tell you about that in just a second. We're going to show those photos during the live event, and everyone that is present participating will be the judge of the photos, which is really fun. This bash is particularly for 1/6 scale dolls. The highlights will be Barbie with the chair, Rainbow High with the little outfit, and the hat for Blythe dolls. And that little hat on a Blythe doll off to the side, oh my, it is so cute. So this is really going to be fun. It is a limited event. We're only going to have so many people in each session. So what you want to do is, first of all, send a bunch of photos to us so we can show you those while you're in between the sessions, while you're waiting for the event to begin. And if you want to hang around, the chat stays open. You can stay there as long as you like, chatting with all the other people. Now, Darren and I won't be in here because we have things to do between. How long are the sessions? They're at 10, 2, and 4. And they will
6.
last
10, 2, and 6.
10, 2, and 6. Yeah, I was thinking Dr. Pepper. 10, 2, and 6. And we will have Sarah and Joni and Ina are going to be, one of them are going to be at each session. You will get to talk to them through chat. Now, you won't be live, but we will be live and you'll have live chat, which is really cool. And you'll be able to ask questions or thank them for their patterns and crafts, which I just want to stop and thank them. Ladies, you're incredible. And just God sent. And I really mean that. Darren, did you want to say something about the photos?
Well, after Winterfest, we decided that the best way to handle this was to let people upload the photos directly to the site and create their own, categorize it themselves. And so now if you go to Dolls Rescued, sign in there in the top, in the navigation there where all of the St. Patrick's Bash
it's
information
right at the top of
is right there at the top. Yep. And in there is a link just above the live link is a link that says submit photos. And it should be self-explanatory.
Cool,
go there,
great.
Submit your photos, choose the categories for the photos, and that's where they'll show.
And don't put your name or anything on the photos. First of all, for the contest, we don't want names on them because it's going to be a blind contest. No one's going to know whose chair is whose or who did their outfit in a sparkly green or a whatever.
Right.
It's just blind. It's not a popularity contest. It's a flat out contest. We try to keep them as fair as we can. Can you think of anything else, Darren?
No, that's the important stuff.
It's a week from today.
A week from today, and we're going to start. Basically, we're going to let each session start. People start at a half hour before and
start chatting.
Well, I mean, you can come in at any time, but basically, you want to get there as soon as you can because of the limited number of attendees.
Yes.
And we're sorry if this is very successful. I'll make efforts to make it more room for next time. But
for sure.
But hopefully we will fit and accommodate everybody. But if not, I apologize. It's just the way life is.
Yep.
But anyway, get there a half hour before. That's where we'll set the cut. Basically, we'll kick everybody out a half hour before. And
before the next session.
Yeah, right,
that makes sense.
Next session. Otherwise,
so that they can't just sit.
Right.
Leave their computer open and that's a good idea.
Right.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. But it's fun. And he says kick you out, and he's saying that in a nice way because Darren and I like to keep things fair and even for all of our subscribers and followers, etc. We really appreciate each and every person, and I really mean that. And when you go to a channel, any channel, not just mine, and you leave that subscribe and leave those likes and leave a comment, even if it's just an emu. How do you say it? I would say emus. Anyway, if you just leave a smile, that really helps out each channel, and we need to help each other out. That's what it's about. The friendships and the fun.
Absolutely. That's what we're doing this live for. Is just another way to bring everybody together. It's off YouTube, so it's totally private.
Free.
And it's totally free. We're not making a dime on this.
No,
it's costing us. Yeah. So it's just a way for us to give back and to bring everybody together. We love the participation in the.
And you brought something up I forgot to say, and that is this is a private event on a website. Nobody's tracking this. Nobody's following this. We do not sell your information. We don't give it away. Nothing. This is private. I know a lot of people don't like to go on some of the other platforms because of all that's going on. This is private. It is off our own server, to be honest. Yep. Oh, and I need to say, next week, we're supposed to have some pretty vicious weather. And Winterfest, right before Winterfest, Darren's server got fried. We had some severe winter weather. We were out, 12 hours without electric? Oh, it got cold too. It was so cold. We didn't get it as bad as Kansas City, Kansas. They were, oh gosh, it was bad. But we are not too far from there. And we got it bad, and our electric was blinking, and it just shot one of the server that we had everything on, and well, that's another whole story.
But the bottom line is that if weather or something else happens that prevents us from being able to host this on the 8th,
if we get knocked out,
then we will reschedule and have
1 week later.
Is it 1 week or 2 weeks?
I think it's 1 week.
Okay.
I'll have to look at the calendar for a fact.
Well, we'll do our best to let everybody know however we can.
Yeah, we will reschedule, and we'll let you know immediately. We'll get, as soon as we can get to you, we'll let you know what happened, why, and if we reschedule. We're expecting severe weather I think most of next week, aren't we?
It keeps changing, and
hopefully it'll scoot away from us.
Miss us.
So anyway, you are invited to the St. Pat's Bash on March 8th for 1/6 scale dolls. That's your Barbies, your Blythes, your Rainbow Highs, any other doll that size. We needed 3 to feature, and we thought those were the most popular. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.
And don't forget to go submit your photos so we can all see your lovely dolls.
Any photos
Any
at all.
photos, yeah. There's not just the contest photos, but also your 1/6 dolls to share and also get a little credit too, because your name will be on every one of your photos.
Yeah, your name will be on your photos,
social media,
not your contest photos, but all the other photos, your name will be on there. We ask that you don't put it because Darren wants, again, we want it to be fair and even, and Darren wants to do it with all the same size and font. Thank you for watching.